Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome to Tum's Trading Academy. Today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, my dear traders, to trade with me? Let's go for our today day trade. All right, my dear traders. Today I think we have a really good, profitable, and positive market strategy for today, and that's why I decided to start up with $1,000. And the first investment is going to be $1,000, guys, all in. And I chose the currency pair AUD USD. And guys, let's push up and let me explain what's going on with the market strategy. Look at this, guys. It went down and it hit the bottom and it changed. The market has been changed and then it's going up, and according to the others indicator below, look at this, guys. When it hit the bottom, the oversell zone, and it's growing up, guys. So market has been changed, and guys, it's growing up little by little. And let's wait and see, guys. Yeah, we need to be patient. And what's going on with the market? Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's behaving very strange, guys. Look at these, guys. The cutoff, guys, bouncing in between my cutoff, guys. Look at these, guys. No. Yeah. Go ahead. Grow up. Yeah, I made it. $1,890. Let's push up with $500. And guys, I made clean profit 890. Let's push up. Yeah, for sure. Let's push up. Follow the trend. Trend is our friend, guys. So far so good. AUD USD currency pair, it's giving us, guys, 91% profit, guys. So it's a really good profit. And according to the RS indicator below, when it hit the bottom, the oversell zone, it's reaching into the overbought zone little by little, guys. So that's why we don't have any risk right now. So by the way, so far so good. Yeah, we are going to make it, guys. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and share this video with your trading friends, guys. Don't forget about it. Right now, do the subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Oh shit, what's going on? Again, it's appearing, guys. Look at this. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, $945 profit. Yeah, I'm really happy. And guys, let's go with $1,000 and let's push up, guys, because wait, yeah, let's push up. So far so good, because oh shit, I think my money in stake, guys. I did a huge mistake. I've mistaken something. By the way, we have time, enough time. It's, guys, really strange market, guys. AUD USD currency pair, it's showing really strange market strategy right now. It's fuck. I need to make this money, guys. I need to make this profit. Fuck. The next candle also, something weird happening. Yeah. Grow up, please grow up. Yeah. Grow up, baby, grow up. Make profit. Yeah, grow it up, baby. Yeah, made it, guys. $1,910, guys. 1,910. Let's push up again. Oh wait, no, let's wait and see, guys. We should wait, we should see, we should analyze the market. Wait. Okay, all right. What's going on? Really strange market, guys. It's a really strange market, I'm telling you that, guys. Yeah, this time it's pushing down. The next candle also appear. Yeah, let's push down. So look at this, guys. Let me explain what's going on. When it hit I found resistive zones, two resistive zones and one supportive zone, and market is bouncing between two resistive zones and one supportive zone, and it will make another supportive zone, guys. So it should be reaching into the supportive zone, climbing down, go down. Yeah, it should be going down. So look at this, guys. Analyze the market. It's the really important thing, guys. If you don't know how to analyze properly market, guys, you should join with my VIP Telegram channel community. There it's available everything, guys. My tactics, my analysis, additional educational things. If you're a beginner for trading, guys, you will become a professional day trader, profitable day trader like me, guys. So far so good. I'm gonna make it, as I told you guys, $1,920 profit, guys. Another one. Okay, wait, let's wait. We should wait and see. Yeah, let's push up. Push down. Follow the trend, just follow the trend, because it's reaching into the another supportive zone, guys. By the way, I think, yeah, guys, today the currency pair which I choose, the AUD USD currency pair, it's behaving really weird, guys, really weird. Something is strange, guys, happening, something strange. So look at this. It's like, yeah, we should be patient. Look at this, guys, look at this, guys. No, push down, baby. Okay, all right, I'm gonna lose it. Let's go with 2000, and let's wait and see, guys. Let's push up. Yeah, sure, for sure, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at on the bottom of this green candle, there is no shadow. It means, guys, the buying opportunity is very strong. So that's why I decided to put my investment $2,000, because I lost $1,000 from the previous one. So I need to make a really good profit at the end of the day. This is my mission and vision and the goal, and this is my final trade for today, guys. After this one, I'm gonna stop trading for today, guys. So far so good. Yeah, I'm gonna make it maybe. Yeah, sure, for sure, guys, for sure. I'm gonna make this one, and yeah, I started up with how much, guys? $1,000. So okay, all right. Yeah, made it, guys, made it $3,860 in my live account. How much I have, guys? $5,025, guys. Look at this, guys. I have made a lot of profit also today as a professional and profitable day trader. My dear traders, today I have made my clean profit $4,025 at the end of the day, guys. As a professional and profitable day trader, my mission and vision and goal is, at the end of the day, making a very good, really good profit. If you want to become like me, all you have to do a really simple thing: follow my instructions and follow my tactics. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.